So Hurricane Ian has devastated Southwest Florida, and the housing market is going to be in rough shape. Kind of reluctant to put this video out, but I think it's important that everybody sees what's going on. In this video, I'm going to show you leading up to Hurricane Ian. I'm going to show you some of the scary times, us as a family going through it. We're exploring Bonita Beach right now, checking out on some people's places. Just got some notes because I'm all scatterbrained right now. And then we're going to show videos of the devastating aftermath, like these buildings on Bonita Beach and other areas, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Naples. At the end, I'm going to talk to you about what I think is going to happen with the real estate market here in Southwest Florida and Florida in general. We've been volunteering. I'm just going to take you guys with me because they're getting ahead of me. We've been volunteering, helping people remove furniture and everything that's just been extremely destroyed. Houses 5-6 feet of water. We've been ripping out drywall. So far we've been able to do about 4 houses. We did our Maxim Beach office as well. We've orchestrated other teams to go to other houses and help out other people. There's a lot of people in need right now. We've orchestrated others to volunteer, handing out meals, hot meals, water, clothing, basic necessities. People lost, when I say people lost everything, they lost everything. And not just on the beaches here, inland, Cape Coral, everywhere. A lot of people lost their lives as well. They're still unfortunately finding bodies. The barrier islands really got they got hit bad, and people stayed, and so in memory of them, in memory of the lives that are lost, and we appreciate all the volunteers, all the first responders that have come out. So I got a favor to ask you guys, if you could please do this. The more people that watch this video, and I know it's probably gonna be long and you're gonna see a lot of disturbing stuff, but the more people that watch this video, the more it sheds light on just how much help that we need here in Southwest Florida. It can be donations, it could be food, water, it could be manpower as well. There's a lot of just extreme devastation. And anyway, if you could do me a favor and share this on your social media, share it everywhere, text it to all the people in your contact list, because if we can get more people helping here in Southwest Florida, it's going to make a huge difference. We need the manpower, we need food, water. We've had friends come from Massachusetts with a big trailer full of supplies and equipment. We've used a lot of it. They've been able to feed the hungry people. When I say they lost their houses, some houses completely flattened out. Other houses flooded up to the ceiling. Good friends of ours actually had to, during the hurricane, get out of their house, get swept by the water with their newborn. Luckily made it to another house, several houses down. They lost everything, guys. Anyway, please share this video, and even if we get a handful of people that actually can do donations and so forth to help out, it makes a huge difference. So anything you can do to share this, I'd appreciate it. We'll show you some clips here, and thanks for watching. And then toward the end, again, I'm going to talk about the real estate market here and kind of what I think is going to happen. Thanks a lot. The calm before the storm.
slide video. Absolutely stupid considering that we have a major hurricane.
So we've been hearing this ringing noise, and sure enough, somebody decided to take the elevator and they're stuck on it. So now I'm trying to get some additional help. The guy, health-wise, seems to be fine. We gotta let his wife know because she doesn't know where he's at. And I gotta go to the 16th floor. Stay tuned. Hey George, you still there?
Yeah, what do you think?
Alright, I told Bob on 1601, and your wife knows as well. We got, hopefully we got 911 coming.
Oh, you got 911 coming, you think?
I think so. I mean, hopefully they'll come out right now.
Okay, I don't know. How the hell are they going to get into this thing? It went down with a thud.
Did it really? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay, did it land hard?
It landed, it's not soft, but it didn't land like a crash. Let's not just call it a thud.
Okay.
Something's terribly wrong with these elevators. And the other problem is the goddamn phone in here isn't working, and that's a legal violation.
Okay. Well, I'll stick around right here until we get help, okay?
Where are you, on the first floor?
I'm on, yeah, you're on the first floor. You're on the level with the community room. What's that?
911, where are you?
1.
1, 2.
Yeah, we're both on 1. No, nobody right now, but everybody here knows.
Okay, Bob's on his way down.
Bob's calling 911.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. But I'll stay here. Just yell at me if something happens.
Okay, thanks a lot.
No problem, George. Big storm, never get in an elevator, ever.
Thanks, honey.
Hey, Brody. When you're done, we're going to take the gentleman up the stairs.
Completely underwater. He's in the gym. This is crazy. This is our lobby. This was the bull. Crazy. And unfortunately, we lost both of our vehicles. My Raptor is over there. Tahoe's on the other side. Both vehicles are gone. Watch for snakes.
Oh my God.
Keep looking down, guys. Always look down around you. This is Clan Pass.
Yeah, I told you I didn't think they pulled them all out of the water.
Amazing. Cafe just completely trashed. Don't know how these eggs even possibly survived. This was the cafe. Sorry, Romy. Hope you guys are doing well. What's up, Frank?
Yeah, Steve. That's good, huh?
Did you guys stay for this?
No.
Good. How's your place?
Good. We were up there yesterday. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we stay in a sterile. We got electric and even Wi-Fi on and off. No phone.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Hey. Wow, that little house that was over here looks like it's completely gone. It's Doc's Beach House. Completely decimated. What's up, fellas?
Like a ride? Just, if you don't mind, we'll roll room, you can hang on these sides.
That'd be cool.
Hang on tight.